Public art is just a wonderful initiative to kind of put art close to the people and close to the community members, because sometimes it's hard to get to the galleries, but if you have public art, they can actually get up close to it. And so I was really excited to submit to the Community Arts Project with the Gantt Center and this initiative with Bank of America. The Gantt Center presented me with a couple different communities, and I was really excited about Renaissance West. When I started researching a little bit more about Boulevard Homes, what they went through, and just the history and everything, I just was really, really excited to get to work in this specific community. So the first day, I got to work with the seniors, which was so much fun. And I asked them to bring an item or something special to them that had a sense of history or was important. I came back again, and we worked with the children. Working with the older generation and the younger generation, having that perspective from both sides is just great, because it gives you that perspective of what they're looking forward to and also how things were in the past. I had them create their own collages and textures, and everyone had a part of it. And being able to put that into the actual collage, it just added the layers to the piece. After the workshops were done, I had an abundance of material. I mean, it was awesome. So I had at that point kind of start to narrow it down and figure out, what is this image going to be? And picked out pieces that really jumped out at me that were really important, and make those choices on where those items are going to be placed.